Right, I've got a whole load of Swagelok parts have arrived. This is to modify the tanks, or to put some extra ballast tanks on Jodie B. So I've got some needle valves, 2 needle valves. This is for the high pressure inlet into the new valves, into the new tanks. What are those? Adapters, some more adapters. Check valves for the ends, T's, bits and bobs. Now another thing I've been thinking is that we'll put these new tanks on. They're going to go here somewhere like this, and they're going to go above that so that it clears the motor. And I came across this picture of someone else's sub, a guy called Brian, who I contacted, and he gave me some info. And I think I'll put that picture up now. And you can see how he's done the tanks, and I think it's pretty good. I mean, I personally, I don't like the way I think it sort of spoils the look of the boat, but I think for the benefit it's going to be really good. So I might go for something like that. But one of the interesting things is he's used electric valves. Now I have to investigate those a little bit more, but that would really help, because I wouldn't have to then put those through-hole penetrators in that I was going to do for mechanical valves. But I've actually got some electrical connections which I use for the lights, and I never use the lights because I didn't really drive in the dark, and also they didn't really work properly. So I've taken the lights off anyway, so I've got 4 connections that can be used for it. So I think that's an option as well. If you're interested, that took 3 minutes and 26 seconds to boil. Interesting stuff here, you know.
Okay, so I've been doing a few more of these, a few more tests just to basically be getting the hang of it. Let's have a look at the results. This is for my design, safety factor. What I have done, I'm not going to go on about this too much, is I've added a hatch to the Jodie B accurate model. And let's have a look at the results for this one. This gives it sort of reasonably safe now with this design. Still that point load there, which I need to investigate. You can see it's right on that tiny little corner there, but it's less with the hatch on, which is I suppose it makes sense really. And just out of interest, I did this one as well, which is with a pressure of 40 bar, so 400 meters of depth, not taking into account the 1 atmosphere inside, and that shows obviously total failure. Right, so I've been modeling up the Jodie B model again, and just to, like I said, to get these ballast tanks designed up properly. So first thing I did this afternoon is model up the Minn Kota controller motor. Okay, propeller leaves a bit to be desired, but it's only a rough idea. Stuck the motors in, done the rails. The only problem is I ran out of time, and I wanted to get this video out, so I haven't finished the rails, but because there's another bar to go in between there and there. But what I have done just is to start thinking about the tanks, and that is the same sort of design as Brian had on his. I think I showed you. I don't know, I'm not sure whether I like it. Kind of spoils the look of the boat, I think. So I'm going to have a little experiment with these and see if I can come up with something that is just aesthetically a bit nicer. I mean, I'm sure this will work. It'll work absolutely fine, but I just feel as if I could do something a bit neater than that. And also, look at the way these were 300 millimeters, so that actually doesn't clear my motor bracket, so I'd have to do something about that as well. But anyway, there we go. That's it for now.